Hey guys, running Kimono here. So OMG, this is a really hot deal. You possibly can get this beard trimmer and some beard wash by Gillette King C for free at Walgreens. This is a killer deal. You got to do it this week because the 10,000 when you spend 20 is ending on the 26th, which is Saturday. So as you can see, the first item that we're going to grab is the cordless beard trimmer shaving kit for $29.99. Now, as you can see also, there's a little deck of coupons. The one that you want specifically loaded is the $10 off. I found this morning on the top of my digital coupons folder. And this is the coupon that you want loaded. And if you have the other ones loaded, guys, what you would do is go in and unclip it. It's very easy to do. I will leave a video at the very end on how to unload or unclip Walgreens digital coupons. But this app, you can load and unload coupons. But once you've unclipped it, it's gone forever. But you definitely want the $10 one because this is like the biggest savings. And the next item that you're going to grab is one of the beard washes for $12.99. And there's a different host of coupons on for this product, but the one that you want is the one that's $6 off this product. So here it is, guys, $6 off, and it's off of a whole host of products, including that beard wash. So at my store on Sunday, of course, I had to get some photos. So see that bigger box, the trimmer with the different guards? That's the one that you're going to want to grab with the beard wash at the very left-hand side. So, this is a newer product. They're throwing out these really high-value coupons because is it not really, or is it too expensive for consumers to buy, or are people just not interested in it? So the manufacturer is really upping the ante. So they have been really pushing this out. And this is what the beard wash looks like. So it looks like those old medicine bottles from Little House on the Prairie time, way before my time. But just to give it that old sort of look. And, this would make even just a superb, Christmas gift, or even for me with that trimmer, we have cats and we have one with exceptionally long hair, and we need this sometimes to get matted fur, little knots taken out. So there's a whole host of things that you could do with these clippers. So I'm definitely doing this deal. And here is the tag for this, which is 10,000 points when you spend 20. And as you can see, bottom right-hand corner, good through September the 26th. You got to do this by Saturday. Okay, so for this specific deal too, guys, you're going to need this digital, which is your 10 times when you spend $20. So if we're buying $40, you're getting back $4 in points. So hello, that's kind of awesome. So looking at the math here, I'm going to show you two different transactions. So the first one, we're grabbing that King C beard trimmer for $29.99. And then one beard wash for $12.99. Adding those two together, you have a total of $42.98. Now we have our 10 times every day loaded to our store card, plus we have $16 of digital manufacturers. We have a 10 for the trimmer and then a 6 for the beard wash. So our new total is $26.98. You have to pay that cash out of pocket. Sorry guys, that's a kind of a hurtful one right there. However, you're getting back 20,000 points as you bought $40 of this product. So it's, you're getting back 50% in points, plus you're getting back an extra 4,000 points for your 10 times every day, which is really awesome. So the final price point here is $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 each. I mean, hello, this is awesome. You have to pay cash for this deal because the, spend 20, get back 10,000. That is a spend offer. So pay cash. Credit card, debit card, pennies, cash. Do not use points to pay for this or you will not get your points back. Now, if you might be so lucky to have one of these in your wallet, which is a 5,000 booster when you spend 20, yes, you will be able to stack this with the digital 10 times every day and then the weekly offer for the King C products. So if you might have one of these, this deal just became a freebie for you. And I'm really jealous because I would love to have one of these for this little offer. So looking at the math, another way, we're just going to jog through this one really quickly. So we're grabbing that King C trimmer for $29.99, the beard wash for $12.99 for a total of $42.98. At this point, you get the cashier to scan that paper booster, 5,000 when you spend 20. Digitally, you have your 10 times every day loaded, plus the $16 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $26.98 cash out of pocket. You're getting back 20,000 for the offer on those shaving products. 4,000 for your 10 times every day, and 5,000 for the booster, making this free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. Pay cash for this deal, and this one is amazing. Couple other pieces of information before I scoot off. This also showed up in my digital coupons folder this morning, which is 10,000 points when I spend 55. This is valid next week, so the 27th to the 3rd. So load it and then use it next week. This one's like, unless I'm rich, I'm not going to be using it because that's a huge basket. And then if you missed it yesterday, I made a Dollar General video for the best gain scenarios. I know a lot of you didn't get the notification of this video going out, some YouTube problem or something like that, where the video went out to very few people. But please check it out if you are in the gain army and you want to get some really inexpensive gain this Saturday over at the Dollar General. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!